What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and to this video in which I quickly wanted to cover Solana, or the Sol token, whatever you want to call it, doesn't matter to me. Frankly, because I used to be a big fan of Solana. That was like the end of last year or something. After that some problems with the network arose, and I'm like neutral on the project right now. I think it has its good sides and its bad sides, but the main reason why I'm doing this analysis is obviously because the market is down a lot, and a lot of people are saying this is the beginning of a bear market, which I do agree with, and the definition of a bear market we can all discuss, doesn't matter right now, but I thought it would be interesting definitely to take a look at Solana, top 10 token still. Take a look at Solana, see what has happened to it, and what's going to happen next, in my opinion at least. So if you take a look, this is just depressing. This is the daily chart. You can see big drops, dropping down from $260 last year November. Huge rally actually, yes, last year as well. Dropping down to where we're at right now at $45. This is a logarithmic chart, that's why it looks this pretty. Normally those prices are not that close to each other. Dropped down to this level earlier today between $35, or we almost touched that level, but arguably we did, between like $36 and $30, which is quite a strong support level, and I do think that support level is going to hold for a couple of days. In the meanwhile, I also think that we can actually expect Solana to get some nice bullish moves, and at least some bullish spikes, because I do expect the market to quiet down a little bit in the upcoming days. That might be very foolish to assume, but I do assume that, and I think Solana could like spike up to $60 eventually, though within the next few days as well. I do think we're going to drop down to that level again between $35 and $30. Luckily we still have quite the buffer, because we've only touched the upper bound, and we found support at that quite strongly, as you can see. Like we went up, maybe we can check that out on the 4 hour. Immediately within the next 4 hours we went up by 20%, which is great, but so that means we still have that level down there to hold us, where probably a lot of buy orders are, definitely around $30, which is a psychological support level as well. So that's great, and I think that's going to be able to hold for the next few days. We're not, that's a very short-term analysis, I do realize, but we're not doing any long-term analyzing right now, definitely not with what has happened to the market and how recently it has happened. It's just very unreliable to do long-term analysis, and I'll just be updating a lot of the analysis I do a lot in the next couple of days. So I do think Solana can hold that level, but I did want to add something in as well, that if this is really a bear market, and if these bearish impulses are going to remain, and if they are going to keep coming, sadly I do think that Solana is going to drop down through that $30 level. It's going to be strong, but I just wanted to like prepare you that if we're dropping down below $30, if that breaks, I think we're dropping down to $20. And $20, and that might be a bold prediction, but $20 could actually be, it's again a big psychological support level, and apart from that it's a strong support level. That could be the bottom from which we can start to go up. But again, very bold prediction, definitely, if you assume that this is going to be a bear market for the next year or so at least. So forget that if you don't agree with it. So that's basically my analysis on Solana, or the Sol token, for now. If you do have any questions about the analysis, please let me know down in the comments. As for now though, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.